Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. Let's move on to the currency markets. The euro 111.49, dollar index 98.035, Japanese yen 110.15, 16, Swissy 1.0117, the pound below 127, oh my goodness, 126.94. Australian dollar, where the central bank chief said he'll consider cutting interest rates at June's meeting, that's a given, 68.78. India rupee holding below 70, 69.6977. South Korean won, this has been one of the weakest emerging market currencies if South Korea is an emerging market. 1194.55, the real just below 410, 409.67. Egyptian pound 170186, and the rand now testing the upper bound of the range 14.4289. Dollar index, this is from Oso Gordo 9806. The dollar is indeed king. Euro dollar I think is headed a lot lower, but it kind of churns around. It doesn't move quickly, and you've got to be very, very focused on those rebounds that can come out of nowhere. Aussie dollar retreats in afternoon trade after the RBA highlights the possibility of a near-term interest rate cut. I think we're going to have two near-term cuts. Thomas Cook 2022 corporate bonds have tumbled to 35 cents in the dollar, which effectively means they are broke. And according to Bloomberg, they're running out of options. The reason I thought of Thomas Cook is in my younger days when I was being brought up in Mombasa, a lot of tourists would come with Thomas Cook. Commodity markets, gold, let's have a look at that. 1275.68. Now this got messed up big time, and I think Maduro is probably responsible to some degree. Crude oil, $63.37. It keeps getting rejected and resisted at $63.80, but if it breaks that level, it's going to pop quite fast. The Financial Times has got a super article, Cashew Foie Gras, Big Food Jumps on Plant-Based Bandwagon. First came the vegetarians, then the vegans, followed by a bewildering array of food tribes from vegivores, flexitarians, and meat reducers to pescatarians and lacto-vegetarians. If the profusion of terms for people who have cut their meat or dairy intake is anything to go by, change is afoot that is set to sweep through the global food industry as once niche dietary movements join the mainstream. From cashew foie gras to fake shrimp made of algae, a plethora of alternative protein products are hitting supermarket shelves. Then I came across this from the Bank of England. Since 2010, the price of an avocado has increased by 27%, unlike a box of medium eggs, which has gone down by 27%. That's interesting. But this whole food fad I tried to address in my article, The Crypto Avocado Millennial Economy. And I was saying that the zeitgeist of a time is its defining spirit or its mood. Capturing the zeitgeist of the now is not an easy thing because we're living in a dizzyingly fluid moment. I also said that the high-tech, millennial, crypto, avocado, plant-based economy, of course, exhibits viral wildfire and exponential and non-linear characteristics, not unlike Ebola. Emerging markets, I take you back to May 2018, and subsequently we had a big sell-off actually, where I said this has all the ingredients for baking a good old-fashioned crisis. And indeed, it's baking it right now. 9th of July last year, I said if we get a fully blown tariff war, it's going to be a double whammy for emerging and frontier markets. And look at this, emerging markets have almost given away all of their year-to-date gains. I also wrote last year, I'm keen to buy the China EM negative feedback contagion loop. And I said at the end of the year, a strong dollar is the equivalent of administering a caning when it comes to emerging and frontier markets, and therefore the direction of the dollar is pivotal. And I was predicting this scenario